Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, I'm jenniferrazon, and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today we're going to be heading back down to Long Beach because I hear they're actually opening up the Queen Mary again, which is a ship that's been here for many years. It used to be a working ship, now it's been docked, and historical artifact that is really popular down there. So we're going to check it out. It's been closed since the beginning of the pandemic in 2020, and they've done some renovations since then. So we're going to go down there, see what we can see, and maybe take a couple of tours. So let's get on going. Today is the first day to actually reopen the Queen Mary, and it's pretty cool. It's actually my first time to be this close to it. I've driven by it, ran by it, but it's super cool. And they're not fully open yet. Actually, today is just the first day they're going to be doing tours. So I believe from what I've read, they're going to be opening up the full hotel in the coming months, probably after summer or within summer, so you could rent rooms, eat at the restaurants, and it should be fully operational. But today, until then, it's just tours. So we're taking 2 tours today out of 3. So first one's coming up. Backlit. We've checked in for our tour and we're gonna wait. Actually, we're close to heading out, so we're gonna go to the waiting area and start our first tour, which is the Golden Eras tour. So let's get on going. just waiting right now for our second tour, which is the Steam and Steel. They have 3 tours. I'm saving the third one for when we come back to do a overnight stay, which is their Haunted Encounters tour. That's going to be pretty cool. Right now, all the tours are pretty limited to certain areas, but I'm sure once time goes on, they'll open up more areas and expand here and there. But it's still pretty cool to see the inside of the ship at the moment after several years of not being open, so that's pretty awesome. And of course, I am just waiting here. It's a pretty nice day out, as you can see behind me here, so it's all good. Thank you, though. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Yeah, I'm just, we're just
6 o'clock. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had a good and relaxing time. It was great to see the ship from the inside. I've never been inside it before, so it's pretty much a treat for me. I've seen it from the outside, as you've seen on many of my videos, but to walk through the decks and the halls of this ship was pretty awesome. Now there's currently 3 tours that they offer. It is the Golden Eras Tour, the Steam and Steel Tour, which we've taken in this video, and a Haunted Encounters Tour. That 3rd tour I am actually saving up from when we stay at the Queen Mary sometime later this year. They're not currently taking reservations, but I know in the coming months they will start opening that up for people who want to stay at the Queen Mary. Currently, they don't have any restaurants available, but there is a coffee shop there, so if you arrive early, you want to grab a snack or a drink, you can do so, or if you have multiple tours that day and have some time in between, it's a good place to chill out for a little bit. Now, I paid my admission for these tours, so I think they're about 10 bucks a pop. Now, it is advised to get your tickets in advance, as there are different times for all the tours. So I will put the link in the description if you want to check out information on the Queen Mary and anything else coming up. Kudos to the staff and especially the tour guides for all the knowledge they have about the ship. Some of them have been working there for so many years, and for them to be coming back again is pretty much just to see the smiles on their faces. Pretty awesome. Thank you so much once again for joining us. I hope you had a good time. I enjoyed taking you all these adventures. If you have any suggestions of places, let me know and you may just see it here on the channel. That goes without saying, if you do like this video, you know what to do. Give this one a thumbs up because it does help, and subscribe if you haven't yet so you won't miss out on all the upcoming adventures. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Until then, I'll see you all next time. Take care.